Hey guys, it's Matthew Price here, back with another one for y'all. And today, I'm just fishing. I'm starting to run out of video ideas, even though I haven't posted that many videos. But yeah, I'm fishing right here. There's my pole, right there. It's a good little spot, but I want to show you the pole that I'm using. Here, let me reel it in, and I'll be right back with y'all. Alright, so here's my pole setup. Give me 1 second, let me get over here. Alright, here's my pole setup. I just got a little old Zippo rod here. The bottom's kind of messed up on it though. I got a Zippo rod 33, and it's pink, It's about 4 foot long right there, about 4 foot. But I got something called Bite Alert. I got it on right now. It's something when you reel it in, listen. Well, it clicks. And yeah, I got the drag set on max, where it won't drag, even though I'm fishing for chubs. But when you reel it in, it alerts you, like it lets you know more easily than say for instance a pole that don't have Bite Alert. It's easier. But yeah guys, I'm just gonna fish for a little bit, and I'll be right back with y'all. Okay guys, I just lost my bait, so there's definitely fish in here, but this video is gonna run a little short because it's fixing to rain. But yeah, let's go ahead and do our intro really quick. I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm dipping on wintergreen this time. Let's go ahead and do it. 1, 2, hold on. 1, 2, 3. Pretty decent pack. Nothing too special. But yeah, let's go ahead and pack us a dip. Cheers. Where's the lid? Oh, right, I had it right under the can and didn't know it. But I'll get back with y'all when I catch something. It's probably gonna be a chub or something stupid like that. But hopefully I get a small bass. You know what I mean? But yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Catch y'all when I catch one, or if I don't.